Hi, I'm Geoff.
And I'm Angela.
And for some reason, we call ourselves Pure Detour. Catchy, right?
In the summer of 2021, we quit our jobs, left Canada, and sold everything we owned to travel the world full-time.
Right now, we're spending a month on the windy Atlantic coast of Morocco in a city called Essaouira. And today, we're not going to do a whole lot of anything.
Usually on this channel, we're showing you the highlight reel. All the cool things we can go out and see and all the amazing food that we get to eat. But for the most part, many days aren't like that. We're usually kind of hanging around the Airbnb and doing things like most people do during the day. Getting some work done, doing some shopping, etc.
And this is our day in the life.
Of course, every morning starts with coffee. Depending on the weather, we'll come up and enjoy it on our terrace here. We'll scroll through our emails and our social media, do the Wordle, and of course, check our YouTube analytics.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because it's one of the highlights of our day. And after our coffee is done, it is time for our morning walk.
So usually around 9:30 in the morning, we like to take a little walk. We use that time to stroll around the Medina. We get to watch all the shopkeepers setting up for the day. We buy all of the things we need for the day, do our morning errands, and just like to stretch our legs. One thing we didn't know the first time we came here is that this wall is actually a Game of Thrones filming location. This one was Astapor, where Daenerys bought the Unsullied. We've been here long enough that we have like a roster of the vendors in the local Medina who we like to visit to grab our daily supplies, so let's go meet some of them. And when we get back from our walk, we typically have like a brunch. We usually have about 2 meals a day when we're staying at home. Probably because, as you've seen on our food tours, we eat way too much. This is probably our go-to breakfast. It includes a fried egg, some olives, some cheese, and then honey and jam to put on the fresh bread that we buy every day from the market.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
And I'm working on this article on our website, puredetour.com, and you know how we've registered for the Amazon affiliate program? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm making this article that recommends all the amazing things that we bought from Amazon, just the ones that we really like, that we've packed with us and that we would highly recommend. So I'm making an article about that. And our viewers, if they go to that article and click on one of the links of the products that we recommend, anything that they buy off of Amazon for the next like 24 hours, we get a small commission and it doesn't cost them anything.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so all of our amazing viewers, if they may want to support us, they can check that out.
I wonder.
We are not going to be able to run this video.
Which one?
The Seville food tour.
Why?
That microphone that we bought, it's absolute garbage.
All the shots?
Every single one of them. We filmed the entire Seville food tour with that microphone. And listen, it's just trash.
Going to meet up with some new friends we've made recently here in Sevilla for some pop.
Every single shot. We filmed the entire thing. I'm already going to have to use that microphone for a couple of other videos. And there are just going to be a couple of shots here and there that are going to sound kind of crappy. But there's no way I could put together a video that's got this bad a sound through the whole thing.
Right.
So that's scrapped. We've lost that video.
It's too bad. I liked a lot of that food.
Yeah, a lot of the food, all the friends that we made, and everybody we met. We had the whole night out drinking with.
Right, that was
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me.
Be sure to check out our OnlyFans.
30 seconds of my life I'm never getting back.
A little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
6:30, babe. That's enough for today.
All right, yeah, I'm just finishing off this thumbnail anyway.
Cheers. That was a lame cheers. Do it again.
Lame cheers.
Cheers. It's time for dinner, and we've been working all day. You don't want to cook all night, so I'm basically making a super cheap and cheerful student meal. So basically, we just buy your instant ramen packs from the grocery store. I'm going to gussy it up though with some of these hot chilies we bought at the market. Some of these gorgeous peas I'm going to shell to throw in there. We'll make some soft-boiled eggs, and this largest green onion I've ever seen in my life that we just bought at the Medina.
Makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
We are going to enjoy our dinner now, and after that we're just gonna chill out, watch some Netflix. Jeff's gonna clean up, and then we'll probably go to bed.
Yeah, so this is what a typical day in our life looks like. Probably 80% of the time, this is what every day looks like for us. We're not always out eating great food and seeing amazing things.
So like the video below, let us know what you think about our day-to-day life, and subscribe to actually watch us do something interesting next time.
Bye.
Bye.